Okay, we are going to start with a trickier part of the BST, that is delete of the node. Where did we stop yesterday? Discussing the three cases of deletion of a node. What was the first case? Node is a leaf node. So if node is a leaf node, that is 6. What do we currently do? Just cut it off. What if I have got 13? 13 cannot come. Okay. Here I have a 10. One is on the left side. Here I have 50. I want to delete 10. What is special about, I want to delete 12. What is special about 12? It has got only one child. It's not a leaf node, but it has got only one child. I want to delete 30. What is special about 30? It has got also one child. So a node, if it has got a one child, which means what? One is null and the other has got some kind of value. It can be a left or it can be a right. Okay. So if I have one child, then what do I need to do? Swap it and then delete it. So if I have one node or one child node, then I will swap it and then I will delete the leaf node. Now I take an element 13 which has got two nodes. What do I need to do? Find in order successor of 13. Who would be in order successor of 13? 14. Swap it with in order successor. 13 comes here, 14 comes here, delete 13. Now it becomes the root node, delete 13, which means what? You are still maintaining or balancing your search tree. So let's see how do we do this in code. So I get delete node. What is the first thing that I need to do for delete node? Step number 1, search for the node. Okay. So if I have a tree and somebody gives me a delete node 10 or 30, what we had seen previously, first I have got to search for a node and go till that particular node. How do you search for a node? Check if the current node which is to be deleted, if it is less than the current root, go to the left part of it. If it is greater, go to the right part of it. What is the third else? It matches your node. Okay. So you have found the key. You are not traversing it further. And now at this particular case, your key is equal to your root node that you are traversing in the tree. Now, the first case that I have is it does not have a child. It neither has got a left nor it has got a right. What will I do directly to that particular node? I will delete it. Okay. And then what will I return back? Null pointer. Second thing, else if I need to check whether it has got one child or it does not have another child. Okay. So if I have a node, either it will not have any children or it will have a child. Or it will have a child means either it will have a left child or it will have a right child. I need to check for both. That's why I am checking. Do you have a left child? If you have a left child, okay, then this is what you are going to do. If you have only a right child, then this is what you are going to do. If you don't have a left child, a single left child, and if you don't have a single right child, what does it mean? You have two children. Okay. And if you have two children, then I will call that particular method in order successor. It will give me a particular node. That's what you have done in your last class. I will swap that particular node with my current target. Whenever I swap it with my current target, okay, I am making that node as what? A leaf node. Okay, again I will call delete node. Now the node which I am sending is what kind of a node? Leaf node. Do you know how to deduct a leaf node in your recursive function? Yes, you know how to deduct it. And this is how delete is going to happen. Are we clear? Do you want to try this out? Finish it off. Okay, you already have in order successor. First thing is I am going to start looking for that node. Okay, okay, I will have it over here. 20 se chota. What did we keep over here? 14, suppose. I'm keeping 16 over here. Okay, if you want to run through the code, we can run through the code. I want to delete this element 12. To the delete node, what will I always pass first? My root node. When I'm passing my root node, the key that I am going to have is what? It is 12. I will check with the root node's current value. It is less, so I will go to the right hand side. The key here is less than 14. Sorry, so I will travel to the left hand side. I came over here. Now the value is greater, so I will travel to the right hand side. Now I got my value, that is my key is matching to my root node over here. Okay, so where will I come? In this case, I will come in my else part. Right now I am here with my root came to me as 12. Does it have no children? No, that is not the case. So this case does not pass. Now I'll check. Else if root ka left, is it giving me any kind of null pointer? No. Then I will not go inside. Okay. Same comes for root. Do you have your right pointer as null? Yes, I have. So I will do a negation, and then if I find out that 12th ka right pointer is a null, which means it has got only one child and that is on the left hand side. So what will I do? I will take that left, put it into temp folder, and I'm going to delete that particular root. Okay, means what am I doing? I am swapping it and then deleting it. Okay, so here when I say root ka left becomes temp. So temp I am making it as, what are we doing over here? Temp ka left. Root ka left. This is temp. This is temp. I am deleting this particular root and then I am sending 10 back over here. Okay. No, it should delete 10. No, it should swap. You don't follow this one. You swap it. Okay. And then you cut this particular part. And then you return it as it is. Don't return any null pointer or don't return any kind of stuff. What we have done, how we have done it, you go it in that manner. Okay. So this is how you're going to delete it with one children or two children. The only part over here is when it is two children, you are going to give a call to in order successor, get that node and swap the target value with that particular node. Okay. Chalo, start checking for delete. This is our BST tree. We have everything here. So on this only we will try to do our delete thing. Okay. What do we want to delete? We will take that particular key also. Key is greater than root of data, then call delete. Third would be it is equal to. Either it is great or it is less. So this is the point where I map my node with my key. I have found it over here. Okay. So when will I enter this loop? Only when the node is found. Now in this I have three cases. Okay. So in this I have three cases. My case one would be if root of left is equal to null PTR, okay, this is the child one. I will directly delete my root. After deleting the root, what I should put a brace over here. After deleting the root, what should I do? Return back. What would be case number 2? Sorry? Both are left, okay. Yeah. This is one case. What is the second case? Either left is there or right is there. Okay. You can do it like this also. Both the cases taken care of. I am not doing a or condition over here because I will not know which one to delete. Okay. So I am checking specifically. Left is null. I'll do that. Right is null. I'll do that. Why am I writing this in the first case? If both of them are null, I will delete it and go from here only. I will not come to the next point at all. If one of them is not true, then only I will come to this if, which means the node is not a leaf node. It has got children. Now I need to find whether it has got one child or two children. If it has got two children, okay, so I will show you here. Suppose I have come. I am at this point. Okay. So this node is the node which I want to delete. इसमें left pointer null point, this is not a leaf node, I came out of here. Now I am checking if this node ka left is null pointer. No, it is not a null pointer. If right is null pointer, is right null pointer? Yes, it is a null pointer. Okay, then we need to swap over here. We need to swap over here. After swapping, we have got to delete the root. Okay. So if left is null, means I will have to swap the root with whom? Right. If right is null, I'll have to swap it with whom? Left. Okay. Swap with right. Do you need to swap it or only one replacement is okay? Anyways, it is going to delete. No? Replacement is okay. Okay. Anyways, if it is going to delete, I need not do one more operation. So it would be something like this. 3, 4, 6. Okay. I am at this particular point. I need to delete 4. Okay. My right side is a null pointer. एक काम करते हैं, ये यहाँ डालते हैं because I have it over here. Okay. Root dot left. Root dot left is a null pointer, so I come inside. Okay. That means I have to swap it with right. Swapping it with right means what? The current node is the root node. What will it become? It will become 6. Correct? It has to become 6. Root has to become what? 6. Okay. And then do I need to put this value here? Not required. Okay. So can I directly delete this? Yes. Now root is what? It is the newly created value which is nothing but 6. I have got to swap with it. So you're going to write the swap logic over here. So root ka right was 6. I have put it into temp. Root ka right. Oh, this will work? No. No, we need to swap it properly. We should we should only swap or the data क्या? हाँ, but that's what I'm saying. We should only exchange the numbers and delete it off क्या? हाँ, वही. Why to change the old node and put it over here? Just change the data and finish it off. Yeah. If we do this, then we can delete root ka right directly. And then we return from here. This we are not deleting or swapping the node, but we are changing the contents of the node and deleting that. Ultimately, when we do a in-order traversal, we will get the correct path. Okay. And what is the last one? Last one is it has 2 children. Now my current in order successor is going to work or no? No. Why? Because I'm already there. In my current in order successor, I'm starting from root and searching for it. Okay? Now I am already there at the root node. So which method will I use? What will give me in order successor? What am I looking for when I already find the node and I know I have 2 children? I need to search what? Smallest element in the right subtree. So which one will I go for? Find minimum. You had written that, right? So find minimum is going to give you a node directly, which you have got to make sure that you replace it with your current root node. Okay. So I'll say directly over here node star n equal to find min. You remember we can give any subtree node and find the minimum of that particular subtree. So now which node I am going to pass it as? The root node. This 6 would be the root node probably. Okay. So I'm passing it the subtree root node and I'll get the minimum of it. Root of right. Right subtree. Okay. और अगर यही इन ऑर्डर प्रीडेसेसर ढूंढ रहे होते तो तुम क्या भेजते थे? फाइंड मैक्स ऑफ रूट ऑफ लेफ्ट. ओके, now you need to swap it again, and after swapping it you have got to delete the last node. Okay, that means you have got to delete the ends. You have got to swap n with root node. हो गया? Now here you do proper swapping. Huh? Take a temporary node, swap it properly. Like node star temp. This you do a proper swapping. This we can't directly make it null and all that stuff. After the swapping is done, delete the n. I will not delete n, I will invoke delete ka node on it and pass n to it. This is the pseudocode. Okay, because now when I pass n to it, n becomes the leaf node after swapping. Then it will direct again call a delete node and it will come to case 1 and delete it directly. Okay. So this is the third case that we are going to look for. Copy what is given over here. You have not understood. You please ask again. We'll tell you over here. Because in your exam, I will not ask you delete a node. I will put some variation in that and then ask you to delete. So if you know the logic, then only you can write it. First of all, it should not work only. Then you will debug. Then you will go step by step. Why is it not working? Then you will come to know what mistake are you doing. If it's working in first shot directly, means you've done something wrong. By fluke it is working. Whatever tree you are creating, do one thing. Okay? All of you, go step by step. Create a tree. You know your structure of tree, how you have created. Okay? First, try to delete the leaf node and then print the tree whether your first case is working or not. पहले वो करो. You know how to search for a node, correct? Okay? The moment you get the node, Make sure it is a leaf node, delete that leaf node and print in order whether you are getting, not getting. Go step by step. आ गया? Guys, one question. Will the in order successor node, okay, listen to the question properly. When you say give me the in order successor of a subtree, will the in order successor be always and always a leaf node? Are you sure? In order successor means what? Smallest node of the right hand side. Find minimum of a subtree. When I say find minimum of a subtree, that means the rightmost node of a subtree. Yes, no. Can a rightmost node be ever a parent? It would always be what? Tree बनाओ और चेक करो अगर मैं कोई भी नोड देती हूं उसका फाइंड मिनिमम ऑफ अ सबट्री क्या आता है चेक करो वो पहले यस नो नाउ व्हाट इज द सेकंड कंडीशन वन नोड वो वन नोड के साथ देखो इट इज गेटिंग डिलीटेड और नॉट देन वी विल चेक फॉर द टू नोड्स अब वन नोड में यू विल गेट अ प्रॉब्लम I want to delete 15. What will I do? I found this 15. Does it have one child? Yes, it has got one child. So what should I do with this? Should I only exchange data? No. What should I do? When I say swap it with this node, what does it mean? This node is connected to this node. Correct? This node is connected to this node. So when I am swapping these two nodes, what will come? Their connection will get destroyed. So what do I need to do? That boy came up with a very nice idea. Oh, where is that boy? What's your name? Vishnu. Huh. I'll store this in temporary variable. ठीक है? And then इसका जो right है और left है, whatever it is, I will put it over here so that it shifts one part over here. And then what happens? Can I delete 15? Yes, I can delete 15. Okay, it's like swapping only, basically. Okay, so I am going to make this particular node sit over here and have 18 take its place. So if 18 is taking its place, how would it look like? 20, 10, 6, 18, 19, where did 15 go? Went off. Okay, so what we had written earlier was correct only. We will not swap the data. We will say current node you get shifted into temporary node. Okay, and then what does your root become? Your root becomes your left is null, so this will become your right. And what will I delete then? Okay, check now in this constitution, is your one-sided tree getting properly working or not? So change your binary tree, make it 20, 10, 6, 15, 18, 19 like this, and then try to delete your 15. So make your binary tree look something like this: 20, 10, 5, 15, 18, 19. And what do I need to delete? I need to delete my 15. How the tree should look like? Only 15 gets deleted, 18 comes up. Or if you want, you can have it like this also. You are currently making your root equal to root dot right now. करंट में रूट हूं ना, ठीक है, तो मेरा रूट कैन पॉइंट टू एनीथिंग. तो पहले मैंने क्या बोला, रूट, राइट नाउ माई रूट इज दिस, ठीक है. देन आई एम मेकिंग माई टेम्प पॉइंट टू whom? 15. देन माई रूट का राइट कौन है? 18. What am I making 18 point to? Root. So now when my 18 is pointing to my root, my temp is pointing to 15. Can I delete my temp which is pointing to 15? Who is this 10 pointing to? Root. Who is this root? 18. Try do it. Create a tree like this so that you understand nothing will happen to your tree even if it is lopsided. We'll give them 10 more minutes to complete. Then we will do the other 3 problems. Okay. If any of us is getting this garbage value, okay, please make sure that delete will take address of root. If you don't give the address, you are making a copy of that and working on the copy. Once you come out of the method, copy will get deleted. Once we are deleting the root, main structure mein deletion should get affected. So that's why we are going to do a AND here. Many a times because we have Java knowledge, we forget that it's going to make a copy. We think reference is common and it will point only to one object. It's a very common mistake. So now, the kind of a tree we have created was very, very ugly tree actually. 5, 3, 2, 4, 1, 9, 8, 7, it's not alone, 6 and 10. And we are trying to delete this 8. Okay? This is the tree that we have currently. This is how we have created the tree right now. And in this tree, I am deleting 8. After I delete 8, the tree should look like 9 followed by 7 followed by 6. Okay? I'll compile it, I'll run it. So in order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We deleted 8. Later it became 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. So please check it over here. The earlier time we were doing it wrong. We were only swapping the data. We are not supposed to be swapping the data. Once we know that we want to remove this, and this has got only one child. When I say swap with it means what? I will make this as temporary. The current, I have searched this target. Okay, so my route is currently pointing to 8. I want my 7 to become my route now. So what I'm simply doing, I'm taking a temp variable, putting 8 on that. Why do I require this temp variable? Because reassigning of route ke time pe, I want to know who is on the left of route. Okay, so the first step is what? Node star temp is equal to the current node that I have, route, which is nothing but 8. After this, I am telling my route, you become the new guy. Who is the new guy? Root ka left, because it has got a left, one child only. Okay, so I will make root as root ka left. So now who becomes the new root? This. And now if I tell delete, now root is no more my 8. Root is my 7. 9 is pointing to whom? It is pointing to root directly. Okay. So my 9 was pointing to root. My root is pointing to 7. Temp is denoted by 8. And now I will simply say 8 delete. 8 got deleted. Is 9 still connected with 7? Yes. Clear? This is how we deleted it rather than swapping it, because we were only considering swapping means what? Only changing the node data. That was not the case. If it was a leaf node, then swapping data becomes sense. But if it is not the leaf node, it has got chain of things down, then you have to swap the node, but along with the swap subtree you have to swap, not only the data. Okay. So now we will see over here. We have 5, 6, 9 and all that. We deleted 8. Let's try to delete our 10. Again, we have not. Root has only come. Star. Are we following the correct things? Root is equals to temp root. Delete temp. Right है तो left. Left है तो right. It's still there. Are we not deleting it every time? Delete temp. Delete temp. Delete root. Correct. Return from here. How was that tree? Ten was the leaf node, no? In order printing. Why would there be a problem in order printing? It's very simple, no? In order printing. You're just transferring. You're not changing anything. Left is null pointer, right is null pointer. I'm directly deleting my read. Okay, let me try with some other thing. We did it last time, we did the same thing, correct? Instead of deleting it, we were changing it into null pointer. It is as equal as deleting it actually. But why delete is not working? It should work, no? That means it is a C++ problem, not a logical problem. That we'll need to check. So you're saying if we are just doing it as I'm deleting 5 completely. 5 is the root node. Wait here, I'll do it. Guys, we'll get this thing working. It's not working for certain, it's working for certain cases, it's not working for certain cases. Okay? You also try it at home. What I had planned was, we will try to finish the height of a tree, all the parts of a tree, as well as to check whether the tree is balanced or not balanced. So they are very simple. Do you want to go through it or do you want to do it on Monday? Monday? Get this thing working, but those things that we planned to do it and we couldn't finish it are very, very simple. I would say this one is a little trickier, others are very simple. Okay, so he'll finish that probably in half an hour on Monday. Okay, plus please try to finish this deleting. That would be all, guys, today. Jai Hind.